ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयुन्
अयुण्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐ औच्
अयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमाङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
झभै
झभैं
घढधश्
घढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपचठथ चटतौ
खभछठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इक्षुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपूपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमाङणनानां नासिका च
ञमङणानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
यदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोगो कण्ठोष्ठम्
उदावतोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
प्रकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
सु औजस्
सु औजस्
औट्शस्
औक्षस्
ताभ्याम्भिस्
ताभ्याम्भिस्
ङेभ्याम्भ्यस्
ङेभ्याम्भ्यस्
ङसीभ्याम्भ्यस्
ञसीभ्याम्भ्यस्
ङस्ओस् आम्
ञस् ओस् आम्
ङि ओसुप्
ङी ओसुप्
सु औजस्
सु औजस्
सिप्तस्झि
तिप्तस्झि
तिप्तस्झि सिप्तस्थ
सिप्तस्थ
मिप्बस्मस्
मिप्वस्मस्
त आताम् झ
ता आताम् झ
थास् आथाम् ध्वम्
थास् आथाम् ध्वम्
इट् वहि मगिङ्
इट् वहिम् महिम्
ऊकालो ज्रस्वदीर्घप्लुतः
ऊकालोऽध्यस्वदीर्घप्लुतः
अचश्च
अचश्च
उच्चैरुदात्तः
उच्चैरुदात्तः
नीचैरनुदात्तः
नीचैरनुदात्तः
समाहारस्वरितः
समाहारस्वरितः
मुखनासिकावचनोऽनुनासिकः
मुखनासिका वचनोऽनुनासिकः
तुल्यस्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम्
तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम्
दृढवर्णयोर्मितः सावर्ण्यं वाच्यम्
प्रलयवर्णयो मितः सवर्ण्यवाचम्
नाज्झलौ
नाज्झलौ
अनदित्सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः
अणुदित्सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः
ठपरस्तत्कालस्य
तपरस्तत्कालस्य
फलोऽनन्तरा संयोगः
फलोऽनन्तरा संयोगः
ह्रस्वं लघु
ह्रस्वं लघु
संयोगे गुरु
संयोगे गुरु
दीर्घं च
दीर्घं च
अलोन्त्यात् पूर्व उपधा
फलोऽन्त्यात् पूर्व उपधा
विभक्तिश्च
विभक्तिश्च
अदर्शनं लोपः
दर्शनं लोपः
उपदेशे जनुनासिक इत्
उपदिशे जनुनासिक इत्
अनन्त्यं
हलन्त्यम्
न विभक्तौ तु स्माः
न विभक्तौ तु स्माः
आदिर्ङिटुडवः
आदीर्घ्निटुडवः
शः प्रत्ययस्य
कः प्रत्ययस्य
चुटु
चुटो
लशक्वतद्धिते
अशक्वतद्धिते
तस्य लोपः
तस्य लोपः
आदिरन्तेन सहेता
आदिरन्त्येन सहिता
षष्ठे स्थाने योगा
षष्ठे स्थाने योगा
तस्मिन्निति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य
तस्मिन् निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य
तस्मादित्युत्तरस्य
तस्मादित्युत्तरस्य
स्थानेन्तरतमः
स्थानिन्तरतमः
पुरन्रपरः
णुरपरः
परसन्निकर्षः संहिता
रसन्निर्कर्षसंहिता
Adengunaha
Adingunaha
Vriddhiradaic
Prithiradeich
Samhitayam
Hitayam
Iko Yanachi
Goyanachi
Yata Sankyam Anudeshas Samanam
Yatha Sankhyam Anudeshas Samanam
Yecho Yava Yavaha.
Echo Yava Yavaha.
Then, up to that, in the last class, we saw the next sutrams we will read, and we can see that maybe next week. So here, Ekaha Pura Pariha also, I will add, even though it is an Adhikara Sutra, but still we can note. Ekah Purva Parayogo
Ekaf Purva Parayoho
Akasavarne Dirghaha
Kasavarne Dirgaha
Adgunaha
Adgunaha
Vriddhirechi
Pritirechi
Ato Gune
Ato Gune
Engah Padanta Dati
Ingaf Padanta Dati
Engi Pararupam
Ingi Pararupam
Lopaha Shakal Yasya.
Lopaha Shakalyasya.
Up to that is this Varasandhi. We have seen, or we are going to see certain some of them. Not we have not. If you have not seen. So here, eco energy is what we called Yensanti. Echo Yava Yavaha Ayadi Santi. Akasavani Dirgaha Dirga Santi. Ad Gunaha Gunasanti. Vriddhi Rechi Vriddhi Santi. Ato Gune. Do you remember the sutra? We have seen the sutra, Ato Gune. It is.
Yes, it's when uh, uh, a prefix on a dhatu and the prefix ends with, it's a kind of prefix act. This rule is about that. I don't remember exactly.
No, not that one.
Okay.
Not prefix, it is. Ato Gune. That is the art you are saying, right? Art will come and that is Vriddhi. Here it
Okay.
is not Vriddhi. Here it is Gunasanti. That is, see, you maybe you know this. You know how the word patati comes, right? From patdatu, pat plus ti. You get patati, right?
Okay.
Pat plus an I is there in between. Probably I don't know whether you learned like that. Okay.
No, we only memorize patati patataha patanti.
Or like that. Okay. This maybe I will explain that later when we do the declensions, the derivations of the lakara, the kriya padam. Okay, but I will tell you this much. So Bhagavachanam is patanti. Okay, pat plus anti becomes patanti, right? Now I'll say certain things just to accept as it is. Okay, more details we will see. This is a dhatu and this is the pratyaya. This is what we chanted, in fact, now. This is actually G, pat plus G. The G is replaced by anti. If you see, just now we chanted, that is G. Tip, that's G, right?
Yes.
So, parasmai pad. For parasmai padi dhatus, these are the pratyayas. Tip, that's G. G is the Pratama Purusha Bhagavachana Pratyaya. So, pat plus G becomes patanti. How it becomes, you see. G is replaced by anti. Step number 1. This is also because this anti has come in the place of G. This is also a pratyaya only. So anti is a pratyaya. So pat is a dhatu, followed by the pratyaya is added, and the pratyaya is now replaced by anti. So anti is also pratyaya. Okay, now dhatu plus pratyaya, what happens now? In between, one pratyaya comes. That pratyaya, depending on the group of the dhatu. Dhatus are divided into 10 groups. There are about 2000 dhatus in the language, Sanskritam, right? These dhatus are divided into 10 groups, not equal 10 groups. They're based on the formation, the rupam, based on the forms, they're divided. So first group, second group, like that. And they've got names, Bhadigana, we have names Ajadigana, Jugotyadi, Divadi, etc. All we will see later. We're going to see that. So first group. So Pat Dhatu belongs to first group. For first group, you have to add the pratyaya to the dhatu. After adding the pratyaya and the tip pratyayas, the rule is Pat plus ting pratyaya. That alone becomes padam, right? That alone becomes a padam. When you add supratyaya to the pratipadikam, becomes a padam, nama padam. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Suhaujas, Amochas, all these are supratyayas. Just now we chanted, right?
Yes.
These are supratyayas. Pratipadikam plus su, aujas, amochas, these pratyayas you add, you get the padam. Rama plus su, Ramaha, Rama plus au, Ramo. Similarly, for the dhatu plus tip. Dhatu, if you take pat dhatu, pat plus tip, patati, pat plus tas, patataha, pat plus g, patanti. Like that happens. How it happens, we will see all those forms later, but this part, this alone you take, the g. So the rule is, when you add the ting pratyaya to the dhatu, what happens is, the pat dhatu belongs to the first group, and the pratyaya corresponding to the first group, which is a, comes in between. This is the rule. When you add ting pratyaya to the dhatu, the vikarana pratyaya, gana vikarana pratyaya, that is this pratyaya corresponding to the gana. If it is the first group, then a will come. If it is the eighth group, then o will come. If it is the fourth group, then ya will come. Like that, depending on the group. Okay. First group is a. In fact, it is not even a. Originally, it was shap. Originally, it is the pratyaya is shap. Now you know. Here, shap is a. When shap, the content of this pratyaya is a. Then what? Then what about the letters here? Akara and chakara. What are they called? The content of shap is a. It means chakara is
Eat leather.
exactly. By what sutra? Lashakva taddite. We studied, right? Lashakva taddite. And pakara is halantyam it. So shap is shakara plus a plus pakara. Really speaking, shap. So shakara is it letter, that goes away. And pakara is it letter, that also go away. Therefore, content is only a. So that is what I said. So for first group, it is shap. For the fourth group, it is shan. For the sixth group, it is sha. For fifth group, it is shnu. For seventh group, it is shnam. For the eighth group, it is u. For ninth group, it is shna. So like that, the pratyaya specific to the gana, specific to the group are there, and they must come immediately after you add ting pratyaya. So here a comes for the first group, that is pat dhatu belongs to the first group. Now you see, I'm doing pratama purusha bahuvachana, pat plus g. So g is replaced by anti. Then after that, this shap comes. Pat plus shap plus anti. The content of shap is a. Now pat plus a is pata. Pata plus anti. What will come pata plus anti now?
It would be Savarna Dirga.
It should be patanti. But you know it is not correct, right?
Yes.
That is what our sutram atogune comes. For that
Okay.
only I explained all this. Okay. This is under, don't worry about this. We'll see later. Okay. This is the background. We will see. Now here the point is pata plus anti. It is not patanti. It is patanti. Savana dirga will not happen. Why? Because this is here akara is a pat plus a. A is there. This a is followed by what letter? Followed by the letter?
Savarna.
Followed by the letter which is guna letter.
Guna letter.
This a is the akara at the end of not a padam. This is not a padam. The whole thing is padam. Patanti is a padam, but pata is not a padam. So apadanta akara at the end of not a padam, when followed by a guna letter, then what happens is, then this a and this guna letter both will be replaced by the guna letter. This is the guna letter, following the guna letter. So a plus a will become a only. That is a rule. That is what the sutra says. Ato gune. We will talk about this sutra in detail. Yeah.
This ato is actually
Ataha.
Ataha pancha.
Yes. It is panchami. Ataha is a followed by guna. Guna is saptami vibhakti, right? Guna letter a or a or o. When a apadant, what akara? This is apadanta akara. A followed by a is a followed by a is a plus a. What's sandhi? A plus a is equal to a only. A plus a is equal to apadanta akara followed by a. What's sandhi? The same sandhi, guna only. A plus a, it will not become I. It will be a only. This sutra will apply because this akara not at the end of the padam. Similarly, a plus o, it's not vriddhi sandhi, it is o only. Understand?
Yes.
Now, for this, I'll give one example. You know, lab dhatu. How do you decline? How do you say in latlakara present tense? Labate, labete,
labhante.
Then labase, labhete, labhadve. Uttama purusha ekavachanam. Labhe, labhe, labhavahe, labhamahe. Right?
Yes.
You have to memorize. Now you have to memorize. Later we will derive it. Now you take that labhe. Lab plus lab dhatu atmanepadi dhatu. So atmanepadi dhatu, therefore, what pratyaya you will add? Uttama purusha ekavachanam. It, right?
Yes.
So now what happens? Lab plus E is a pratyaya. By some rule, what will happen is E is replaced by A. A comes in the place of E. Note, okay. A. Now A is also a pratyaya only. Lab plus A. After that, what will happen? The lab dhatu belongs to the first group. Therefore, the corresponding gana vikarana shap comes. So lab plus shap is laba. Now laba plus A. Now what's sandhi? A plus A. Is it I? No. Apadanta akara followed by the guna letter will be lave. The same rule applies ato gune. Right?
Yes.
So you will see the application of this sutra in in Tingantam in other places. So I gave the example of Tingantam. You may not be able to understand everything, doesn't matter. But this part only I want you to follow. Lava plus Shap plus A, Lava plus A plus A is not Vriddhi Sandhi, it is Guna Sandhi. I mean, it is Pararupa Sandhi, sorry, not Guna Sandhi. Pararupa. This is the following. Pararupa. Para means the following. The following Guna letter will come in the place of both the preceding and succeeding. This sutra is 6197. So this has Anuvrti of Ekaha Purva Parayogo, 6184. So Apadanta Akara followed by Guna letter, therefore Purva Parayogo, in the place of both, what will happen? Guna. Guna, that is, the following is letter, the Guna letter. That is the Adesha. This is called Pararupa Sandhi. Pararupa is the following one is a replacement in the place of both. Atogune. This example we will see. For this example, we will see in Tinganta. Therefore, I am not giving example. This I gave this example just for your understanding. You may not be able to appreciate completely the understanding because you don't have the background of how this the patati, patanti, and all becomes, right? That we will see. So if you understand this much, our purpose is served. Pata plus anti, it is not patanti, it is patanti. Similarly, pata laba plus a, it is not lave, it is lave. Okay,
Yes.
fine. That is atogune. So atogune now it is apavada to savana dirgha sandhi, apavada to vriddhi sandhi.
Yes.
Condition is apadanta kara when followed by guna letter. Then the guna will be the adesha. Therefore, it is not guna sandhi. Guna is a following letter, para letter. So pararupa sandhi it is called. If you want, you can write the name here. It is called pararupa sandhi because pararupam is guna letter. Therefore, pararupa sandhi. Okay.
Okay.
Then yang of padanta dati. This we have seen. When yang letter padanta ati. When yang of padanta, when yang letter at the end of the padam followed by short bubble a, then in the place of both, purva will come. Purva will be the adesha. This is apavada to ayadi sandhi. Remember? So this is purva rupa sandhi. Example, we have seen. Last class also I told you. Te plus atra. What is sandhi is that? Te plus atra. What sandhi?
Taitra.
Hmm?
It would be
It will
purva.
be
So te and we remove the and only tetra.
it is tetra, right? This is called purva. How it happens? Takara plus a. Te is a padam. Sahatau te. The last class, if you remember, I told you same thing. Te is a padam followed by a padam beginning with akara. So a plus tra. So this that is what here ati is. Ati when akara follows the padanta yang letter. So a plus a is equal to purva letter is a. A will be the replacement. A will come. So akara is elided. Therefore, takara plus is tetra. What happened to akara? Akara is gone. So to show that it has gone, it is written like this. Avagraha. This is called Purva Rupa Sandhi. Why it is called Purva Rupa? Because A is the Purva preceding one that replaces both the preceding and succeeding. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. That is Purva Rupa Sandhi. Okay. Then Yengi Pararupam, another Sandhi. Probably this I have not taught you, but it's okay. I just tell you what it is. Maybe
In this
later.
case,
Huh?
in this case, engi is coming in the following, in the para position. In the previous sutra, in Naha coming previous.
No. Yeah,
No?
but the sutra itself has got yengi. The letter itself has got yengi. In the other sutra, yenga padantadati, yenga is there, 6109. Here, yengi itself is there.
No,
And
I'm
yang
saying,
follows. Huh?
I mean only saying the position of Saptami,
Yeah,
Panchami.
yes, yes. Here it is Panchami, that is, it is before. Here Yengi is after. Yes. The position is, yes. That's what you're saying. Yes. So when Yang letter follows, what are the Yang letters? A, O.
Yeah.
Right? When Yang
Yes.
letter follows what? Follows, here it is not given. I mean, you have to bring the Anuvritti. The Anuvritti is Upasarga. Follows Upasarga ending with Akara. Ending with akara or akara, whatever it is, followed by yang. Then what happens? Then both will be replaced by the yang letter. Example, suppose if you take pra is the upasarga, right? Pra is upasarga ending with what letter? A. So pra plus ejate. What will happen? A plus a is vriddhi sandhi, right? Vriddhi rechi. That is what you do it.
Yes.
Here it is vriddhi rechi, but that will not happen because this sutra says when the upasarga ending with akara is followed by yang letter, then pararupam will be the adesha. That is, the following one, which is the pararupa, will be replaced both. A plus a will be equal to a only. Therefore, it is prejate, not parijate. Okay, this is what yengi pararupa. This sutra also in detail we will see when Rama comes. Okay.
Only to check if I understood.
Yes. Yeah.
Upasarga is prefix.
Exactly. Yes. Prefix. So prefix is, so upa is a prefix, pra prefix, para prefix. Many prefixes are there, right? So any of them. So this
Yeah.
prefix is added to the dhatu, right? So pra plus ejate, prejate becomes.
Okay.
Similarly, many examples you can see. Okay. You can tell para plus ejate. What will happen? A plus A. Is it vriddhi?
It, it, it would be similar. Prete, no?
Parejate. The form. Understand?
Yes, parejate.
This is what it is. Form is. This is called Yengi Pararupam. This is also Pararupa Sandhi only. The name, because Para is the Adesha. The Pararupam is the Adesha in the place of both. Atoguna is also Pararupa because Para following one is the Adesha, Pararupa. This is also, therefore, I will, what I will do is I will name it as it is 01.
Yes.
Pararupa 01, Pararupa 02. Like similar Vriddhi Sandhi, we have so many Vriddhis are there. So I name Vriddhi Sandhi 1, Vriddhi Sandhi 2, similarly here also. Okay.
So we can we say that the Vriddhi Sandhi, the first one we saw, is only applied to join two padams?
This one?
Yes.
Yeah, it is applied. But if it is a upasarga, akara, here, followed by the dhatu having the yang letter, then pararupam will apply. Apavada. This is apavada to vriddhi sandhi. This is a very specific condition. This
Yes.
condition is included in the vriddhi sandhi, but vriddhi sandhi will not apply. A specific condition is taken out, and for that pararupa sandhi is ordained. Therefore, apavada.
We are coming from general to specific.
Yeah, exactly. This is specific. Vriddhi sandhi general. Okay. Suppose if it is not upasarga akara, any other a or a. So, for example, Rama plus ejate, what will happen?
Now it's written. Rame
Yeah, that's
Jate.
it. Because Rama is not a padam. So Rame Jate, okay, fine. But this is general. But here
Okay.
it is specific.
Yes.
Okay. So more on this sutra with the other examples, we will see when Rama comes. Okay. So up to this. And Lopaka Shakalyasya, that also we have seen. That Yakara Vakara becomes Lopaha in Vriddhi Sandhi, we have seen. It's a special optional rule. Remember? This is a
Yes.
part of Ayadi Sandhi. That is, if you don't remember, you can take this as an example. That is, te agachanti. What sandhi? This is where I told abhyasa, practice of sandhis are important. That is what we are going to do today.
Yes.
At least for 10-15 minutes, you have to do that. Te plus agachanti. What sandhi?
It,
Ye followed by a. Ayadi sandhi, right?
yes.
Ye chaha yava yavaha. So therefore, what will happen? Te is takara plus ye followed by agachanti. This is a plus a, h letter followed by h letter. Therefore, this will be replaced by I, right? Therefore, you will have tai, taya,
Yeah.
gachanti. This is one form. Another form is here, tai, then agachanti. Here, yakara is, right? Where this yakara is? Yakara
Before.
is that a of te is replaced by I. So te is a padam, I also is a padam only, right? So this yakara at the end of the padam, preceded by a, followed by ash letter, then what will happen? Then this yakara will become
No.
lopaha optionally. I told you, if you remember yakara, I will disappear. The disappears optionally.
Yeah.
Yakara will disappear. Ta agachanti. If you try to do sandhi, it will pop up. I'm there. You cannot do it.
Yes.
I told you, if you remember the Sutra Pata divided into two sections, Sapada Saptadhyayi, Purvatra Siddham. So this Lopaga Shakalyasya in 8th chapter, 3rd section, 19th Sutra. By this Sutra, Yakara, which is made Lopa, is not available for Guna Sandhi, Gunaru Ad Gunaha. Therefore, Guna Sandhi, Akastavani Dirgaha. Here, A plus A Dirgha Sandhi possible, but it will not apply. Why? Because this Yakara Lopa happened because of the Sutram, which is in 8319, is not visible, not accessible to Akastavani Dirgaha. You remember, right? We saw this before.
Yes.
Special
Yes.
Lopa Sandhi. All these are then there Sandhi notes that we have seen. That is where this sutra is applied. Lopaha Shakalyasya. So in Ayadi Sandhi itself, so you have to note, in Ayadi Sandhi, when Yakara or Vakara at the end of the Padam, if it comes followed by Ash letter, then Yakara or Vakara will become Lopa optionally. That is why two forms. Tayagachanti is one form. Ta-agachanti is another form.
Is it necessary to write avagraha there?
You cannot write it Avagraha. Here, what happened to Avagraha? There is no Avagraha here. Yakara only has become Lopa. Where is Avagraha? Avagraha stands for Akara. In the
Ah, okay.
Pura Rup, in this Sandhi only we did Avagraha, not here.
Mhm.
Here followed by Rasvakara. So there only Avagraha we write. Not here. Here, where is Avagraha?
Okay.
Here,
I
Yakara only has
found
become. Understand?
that. Yes. Now I understood. But I found that
uh,
avagraha is to indicate the absence of a letter, but on to a letter.
of absence of A only, Avagraha. Only A. That is the te plus atra. In the Pura Rupa Sandhi example, what I gave. Te plus atra, it is tetra, that's the form. That is A Padanta Yang followed by Rasvakara. Both are replaced by Purva letter. That is A. So Te plus Atra Tetra. Here, what happened to Akara? Akara is not seen to show that it is there. Because of Sandhi, it is not there. It's right like this. The right like this is for our easy splitting only. It is not a rule. Okay, tetra means you have to understand. Don't think tetra is akarantaha, pullinga, tetra shabdaha, tetra. You cannot do like Rama Shabda. You can't decline that because this is a combination. This is sandhi of two words. So you cannot consider this as a something, no, a pratipadikam and decline. But because people may do not knowing. To show that only this avagraha is there. Te is one padam, atra is another padam. This akara is not only here, in other places also you will see. For example, Rama plus agachanti. Suppose if it there. Sorry, agachati. What sandhi is that? A plus A.
Savana.
Savana dirgha sandhi, right? A plus A. So Rama gachati. So suppose if I give Rama gachati and ask you to split, what will you do? How do you split? You will split Rama gachati. But that is not here. Here Rama agachati, not Rama goes. Rama comes. Agachati means comes. But when you split this, you split it as Rama goes. The meaning itself is changed. Therefore, what we do is Rama plus agachati, this A, to show that only, we add two avagraha. Because A is dirgha. Like this. So when two avagrahas are there, when I ask you to split, you will know now. You will split without mistake. That is the reason for avagraha. Okay, there is no other reason.
Okay.
Understand? So this avagraha, don't think it is only for Purva Sandhi. It's also for Savana Dirgha Sandhi. Wherever akara is because of Sandhi, it is elided. We can show that by avagraha. It is only for our easy understanding. That's all. That's no other purpose. Okay. So avagraha should be there. It's not a rule. There is no sandhi for it. Okay. So all these things, I think it's clear, right? So these are the swara sandhi, vowel sandhi, which you need to understand thoroughly. So when a word is given, when two words are given as to split, or when a word is given as to split, you should know what rule is applied. For that, the knowledge of these rules are very important. Iko yanachi, echo yava yavaha, akasavane dirgaha, adgunaha, vriddhirechi, ato gune, enga padanta adati, engi pararupam. Only this much sandhis. Okay, so yan sandhi, ayadi sandhi, dirgha sandhi, guna sandhi, vriddhi sandhi. This is pararupa sandhi. Purarupa sandhi, again pararupa sandhi, number 2. All the conditions, if I ask you, you should tell with the utsarga pavada. So that much thoroughness is required. Okay, so this is not the complete swara sandhi. Swara sandhis more are there. But for us to start with, this much is enough. More specific, we will cover when the context comes. Okay. So now let us do the exercise. So please remember this. With this background, now we will see the exercise. Think and do now. Now we are going to join. Joining is easy. Splitting is only difficult. Asau plus ayam. What's sandhi? What happens here? You have to sandhi is between the last letter of the Purva padam, first letter of the Parapadam. You have to see that alone. Other thing you don't consider. Yeah.
Okay. Ayadi sandhi.
So what will happen? Ayadi sandhi. Asau plus ayam. You see. Asau plus ayam. Asau is here sakara plus au, right? Followed by a. So this is H letter. Followed by vowel. So Echaha ayava yavaha, right? So au plus a. So au will be replaced by what letter?
Longa. It's
A will come, right?
Dirga. Yes.
Dirga. So now we can join like that. We can get asa, va, yam. This is one form.
Yes.
Asav is a padam. Ayam is also a padam. Ayam, imo, ime, ayam is pullinga. Idam shabda, pullinga, pratama vibhakti ekavachanam, ayam, right? I think you know,
Yes.
ayam balakaha and all. Asav is also a padam. So now what happens?
Lopaha shakalyasya.
Yes, that will apply. Vakara, that is, when you do this, asav plus ayam, right? This is a padam. Asav becomes, that au becomes av, therefore asav. Vakara at the end of the padam preceded by the letter a, avarna, followed by ash letter, which is akara. Therefore, this will become lopa optionally. Therefore, vakara will become lopaha and asa, asa, ayam. This will be like this. So two forms are possible, right?
Yes.
This is what I call lopaha shakalyasya. Ayadi sandhi followed by lopaha shakalyasya. This is a form. If you stop with just ayadi sandhi, this is a form. But you have to note here, generally in all the sandhi, in all the books and all application, you will see lopaha shakalyasya only you will see. You will never see like this. So invariably, the yakara vakara lopa is done. So therefore, you have to do this. In Gita and all, you will see many places like this. Lopa shakalyasya is applied. Okay, this is ayadi sandhi followed by lopaha shakalyasya. Next one, che plus ana. What sandhi?
So ayadi sandhi also.
Here, why don't you apply lopaha shakalyasya? What is the reason?
Because ana is not a padam. Oh, one of the words, I think, I don't know if it's che or ana. Che,
No,
I
that
think.
is no, that is not the right way of looking at this. I would say A is followed by therefore A becomes chai, right? Chai plus ana.
Okay.
You have to tell yakara not at the end of the padam. Only padanta yakara, padanta vakara, when preceded by avarna, followed by ash will drop optionally. Not ana is a padam or not, doesn't matter. Yakara you have to tell. Ana you can see, it's not a padam only, you're right. But here you have to say your vision should be this. Yakara that is there in when A is replaced by I, that yakara not at the end of the padam. Even though preceded by akara followed by ash letter, but not at the end of the padam. Why? Because che is a dhatu, ana is a pratyaya. These are not padam. Therefore, how can yakara be at the padam? So therefore, not a padam. Therefore, that will not drop. You have to remember the rule. Yakara, vakara at the end of the padam.
Yes.
That is very important. Preceded by avarna, followed by ash. Then only lopaga shakalyas. Otherwise, you have to stop with ayadi sandhi. Right?
Yes.
Next one. Pancha plus ete. What sandhi?
Vriddhi sandhi.
It is vriddhi sandhi. Here, a is there. That's pancha, a plus a. Do you apply here pararupa sandhi? Yengi pararupa. Just no visa. You don't apply. Why? Pancha is not a prefix.
Yes.
Pancha is a word. It's a padam. Therefore,
Yes.
panchaite. Suppose if it is a prefix, but prefix will not come here because ete is a padam. What prefix will come? Prefix only come for dhatu, right? So here it will not come. So therefore, vriddhi sandhi. Next one, dirgha plus eranda. Two
It's
padams.
also vriddhi.
This is also vriddhi. A plus a. A plus a. What is a sutra? You can tell the sutra.
Vriddhi rechi.
Vriddhi rechi. 6-1.
88.
88. So a plus a. Avarna followed by H letter. Both will be replaced by the vriddhi letter. That is called vriddhi sandhi. Vriddhi rechi 6188. Next one. Shashi plus Udityaya.
It is
Simple one.
Yan Sandhi.
Yes. Yan Sandhi. Ik is followed by Ach.
Koyanachi.
Ikoyanachi. Number?
Koyanachi. 6177.
Good. Next one. Siddhyatu plus Eva.
This is
You don't have to think so much. Simple. That's why I gave the clue. If you remember, see, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, you know it very well, right?
it's not
Savarna
Savana.
Dirgha Sandhi is even a kid can do. It's not a big thing. Savarna Dirgha. Yan Sandhi and other rules, you see. Yan Sandhi is ik letter. For ik letter followed by ach. Always,
Yes.
right? And Guna Sandhi is always Avarna is a first letter.
Yes.
Followed by ik letter or followed by Vriddhi, that is for Vriddhi Sandhi. So these are the this is the only thing you have to remember. Savarna Dirgha is very simple. Easily you can find out. And for Guna, it should be the preceding letter must be ending with Akara or Akara. Here, the preceding letter is Ukara. Therefore, it cannot be Guna or Vriddhi. You can dismiss it. Among the Sandhis, you know. Then what is there? Ukara is there. Ukara followed by A. A is a vowel. U is there. It is a part of ik letter. Therefore, Yan Sandhi.
Yan.
Simple, Yan Sandhi. U plus A. Ukara replaced by Vakara. So, Yan Sandhi. Right?
Okay.
Understand?
Yan Koyanachi. Yeah. Okay. Ik followed by Achi letter.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. See, why you have got doubt this here? What Sandhi you are thinking other than Yan?
I think of
No, that's what Ayava. That's okay. I told you that Guna Sandhi is A plus A, for which the Purva letter must be Avarna. For Vriddhi Sandhi, A plus A, that is a Purva letter, the following letter is H. Ayadi Sandhi, H letter is a Purva letter, A, I, O, O.
so
Here,
it's the
here Purva is U. So yeah,
yeah.
you can dismiss all these things straight away, no problem.
Yes.
If you remember this, it's simple. See, when Avarna is a preceding letter, then you have to think of Guna or Vriddhi, depending on what letter follows. If H letter is there, you have to think of Ayadi Sandhi or Pura Rupa Sandhi. After applying Ayadi Sandhi, the Lopa Shakalya is a special option. That will apply or not, that also you have to see. Provided if it is at the end of the Padam. Otherwise, all will be what? Yan Sandhi only. So like that, you can do mental calculations. Right? Simple. It's very easy. Okay. It's a simple Yan Sandhi. Who is there? Who means just if it is not Savana Dirgha, it is Yan only. Okay. Chore plus Ati. Watch the Purva letter. What is the Purva letter?
The Purva letter is not
What's
a
the Purva
Padam.
letter? It's what is the Purva letter?
The Purva letter. O.
Oh, no. What I mean by Purva is this is Purva, this is Para. Okay.
A
A is a Purva. So A is so it cannot be Ikoinachi, it cannot be Gunasandhi, it cannot be Vriddhi Sandhi. A is then what will come?
It would be
Ayadi Sandhi, what else? Right?
Ayadi Sandhi.
It is Ayadi Sandhi or Pura Rupa Sandhi.
Yes, or Purva Rupa.
First you try Ayadi Sandhi, but when you do Ayadi Sandhi, if Pura Rupa Sandhi is applicable, then Pura Rupa Sandhi will proceed because it is Apavada. Right?
Yes.
It's a special. So that will overrule Ayadi Sandhi. For that you have to see. A is there. A followed by A. What is this A? A is it at the end of the Padam? I mean, sorry, is this Padanta Yang? A. Chore is a Padam or not?
I think not.
Huh?
Chore. I don't know what is that.
Chore is Shora Shabda, like Rame. Saptami Bhakti Ekavachana.
Okay. So it's Sapadam.
Therefore, what Sandhi will apply? Ayadi Sandhi or Pururpa Sandhi?
I had Sandhi.
No. Pururpa Sandhi. Because ye at the end of the Padam, right? Padanta
Yes.
Yeng followed by Rasva, Akara. So both will be replaced by the Purva, Ye only. Therefore, only Chore, Chore, Ti, Avagraha in between. A is elided. That's what he said, right? Pururpa Sandhi. I
Yes.
gave the example in the beginning itself. Te plus atra, tetra.
Now I understood. Inna padanta dati.
Yenga padanta dati. You have to remember two rules. One is echo yava yavaha. Second one, yenga padanta dati. You are seeing
Yes.
only yenga echo yava yavaha. You are not seeing yenga padanta dati. In fact, yenga padanta dati is stronger than echo yava yavaha. So with that which is stronger, that is apavada, will precede over the general rule. Always apavada takes precedence over the general. So when you remember the general rule, when you think of applying the general rule, please remember the apavada. See that apavada is applicable.
Yes.
Otherwise, apavada will never be applicable. You will never apply apavada. And then it is useless, right? That sutra. So therefore, you have to remember this, important. In fact, up to this only we saw before when Rama and you were there. From here only we have to start, I think. Okay, anyway, no problem. So here, please do the sandhi. What is the last letter of the first word? What is a purva? I say purva letter.
Purva letter. Ow.
How? So what sandhi could it be? You can displace one by one. Not echo energy, not adgunaha, not vriddhirechi, not
No.
ayadi sandhi. No, ayadi sandhi is possible, right?
Ayadi.
Because H letter, how is H letter? Followed by
Echo yana.
H.
Echo
Yes.
yavaha.
Echo
So,
yava yavaha, right?
A-O-I-O.
A-O-I-O. Yes, H letter. So ayadi
So,
sandhi is applied. So what will happen? I tell you, this is a padam. Like pujargau, like ramau. Pujargaha, pujargau, pujargaha. Ramaha, ramo, ramaha. So pratipadikam is pujarga. Is it a padam or not?
yes.
Padam. Therefore, how will be replaced by
Rav.
how? Pujar, how? Then Arisudana. Then what will happen? Vakara at the
So this is it's
Vakara at the end of the Padam, preceded by A, followed by Ash letter. Therefore, this will become
lopaha.
Lopaha. Lopaha Shakalyasya Pujarha Varisudana. Two forms are possible. Pujarha Varisudana, that is with a Va. This is one form. Another form is Pujarha, then Harisudana. That Vakara is become Lopaha, right? This is what I told, will apply. So Ayadi Sandhi, you have to apply. After Ayadi Sandhi, you have to see whether Lopaha Shakalyasya is applicable or not. Between Ayadi Sandhi, Enga Padanta Dati, the relationship, you know. Enga Padanta Dati is Apavada to Ayadi Sandhi. Now, this is not Yang letter. Yang letter is A and O only. Here, how is not Yang letter. So, Yenga Padanta Dati not applicable. So, Ayadi Sandhi only you have to apply. When you apply
Yes.
Ayadi Sandhi, then you have to see that how that is replaced by how. This being a Padam, Vakara at the end of the Padam. Therefore, Lopaha Shakalyasya will apply. This is how you have to approach. First, you have to rule out Enga Padanta Dati, that is Pururupa Sandhi. Confirm it is Ayadi Sandhi. After Ayadi Sandhi, you see the possibility of applying Yakara Vakara Lopa, that is Lopa Shakalyasya. If it is possible, do it.
Yes.
This is a step you have to follow. Jana plus Ekata, what Sandhi?
Vridirechi.
Vridirechi, straight away, quickly. Yes. Sukha plus Aupayika, A plus Au. You have to write like this. First, you have to write like this, and then easily you can decide the Sandhi and then apply. A plus Au.
Vridirechi also.
Vridirechi. Adama plus Runaha. A plus R. Purva letter is A, para letter is R.
It's Guna? No.
Guna
No,
letter.
Guna.
Yeah, it's Guna letter only. A plus R. Avarna
Guna.
followed by Ik letter.
Understand.
Guna letter. But Rikara is replaced by A plus R. Uran Raparaha, yes. So A plus U will be A plus R will be R. So therefore, you can see Adama plus Runaha. This is Guna Sandhi. So what will happen? This A plus R, A plus R, Avarna followed by R, both will be replaced by A. When Rikara is replaced by A, Uran Raparaha will apply, therefore R will come. Now you join. Adamar Naha. You get the so get Adamar Naha. Suppose if I give Adamar Naha and ask you to split, you will find difficult. You will find difficult to split, right?
Yes.
Because you have to see here Runaha is there, Runaha is hidden.
Yes.
Yes. So that is why splitting is difficult. For that you so know Sandhi as well as vocabulary also. Runaha, the word, the knowledge of the word is important. Similarly, Papa plus Riddhi. Yes.
It's auto Guna, letter Guna followed by Uran Raparaha.
Yes, Guna followed by Uran Raparaha. So I will make it here for you. This don't worry about that. You can make like Papar Dihi. Okay, Papar Dihi. Okay, A plus Guna letter. Then Tandula plus Odana. A plus O. Purva is A. Following is O. What's Sandhi?
Vrid.
Vridirechi. Vridhi Sandhi. Asya plus Auchiti. A plus O.
Vridhi
Sandhi. Whenever you have A, you can know it either must be Guna or Vriddhi, depending on what follows. When followed by Ik letter, it is Guna. When followed by H letter, it is Vriddhi. Right?
Yes. Yes.
This must be very clear. If it is H letter is there, then you know it must be Ayadi. And among the H, if it is Yang letter, it could be Pururupa Sandhi. And if you do Ayadi Sandhi, see that whether Lopa Shakalyasya is applicable. If you remember these steps, it's very easy. Also, this you can do. Bati plus Ambare, E plus A, what will happen? What Sandhi is that? Ikoyanachi. Dhatu plus Adeshaha, U plus A, what Sandhi?
It's also Ikoyanachi.
Ikoyanachi, Dhatva Adeshaha. Patra plus Etat, what Sandhi? R plus A, what Sandhi?
It's
R also equal letter, don't forget, okay? Evu, okay. Don't always think Evu only will come. E and U. R also equal letter only.
Ikoyanachi also.
Ikoyanachi. So yes. If it comes R, don't think something. R also is what? It is equal letter only. So equal letter is replaced by Repa, not by An. If it is replaced by An, then Uran Rapraha will apply. Here R is replaced by just Repa. So for what will be the form? What is the form you get?
Chayana.
Not Chayana. Patra plus A. You have to tell. It is by mistake I have written Chayana. You have to tell them. Replaced by Repa. What will happen?
Patretat.
Yes. Patretat. Yes. Okay. The next one. L plus Anga. L plus anga. What sandhi?
It's eco energy also.
Eco energy. This is also equal letter only. Therefore, L will be replaced by what letter? Lakara. Langa you get.
Okay.
Rama plus Outsukya. A plus Au. What sandhi?
It's
A plus Au. Immediately. Avarna comes. What sandhi could be possible? Gunar
sir.
Vriddhi. Here, no, not Gunar Vriddhi. H letter follows. Therefore, when equal letter follows, it is Guna. H letter follows Vriddhi. So here, what letter follows the Avarna?
H letter.
Therefore, what sandhi is that?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi. Okay. Even in dream, if it is asked, you should answer. This is Vriddhi sandhi. Okay. That much thoroughness is important. Darshana plus Outsukya. What sandhi?
Vriddhi
Vriddhi sandhi. Bau plus Aka. Now, what sandhi? Au plus A.
Echo yava.
Sandhi. Can we apply Pururupa sandhi? Enga padanta dati? Can we apply or not? Yes or no? No. Straight away you can say no. See, this is not Yang letter. Yang letter is A and O. This is Au. How can you apply Enga padanta dati? Pururupa sandhi? Not applicable. First, if you have got doubt with regard to Pratyahara, you must first know Pratyahara very clearly. The knowledge of Pratyahara. Yang is A-O. H is A-I-O-O. This knowledge is very important. So this is not Yang letter. Dismissed in Pururpa Sandhi. Simple. Then Ayadi Sandhi only. And after Ayadi Sandhi, can you apply Lopa Shakalya? Yes or no? You cannot apply because Bhav is not a Padam.
Yes.
So therefore you have to join only. Therefore, Bhavaka only will come. Bhav will become Bhav. Bhav plus Aka. Bhavaka. Right? Next one. Putrau plus Agachata. Agachataha. What's Sandhi? Au plus A.
Ayadi Sandhi.
Ayadi Sandhi. After Ayadi Sandhi, can you apply Lopa Shakalya? Yes or no?
Yes, because Au is in.
Au is at the end of the Padam. Putraha, Putrau, Putraha, right? Putrau like Ramo. It is Pratama Vibhakti, Dvivachanam. It's a Padam. So this Au will be replaced by Au. It means Vakara will be at the end of the Padam, preceded by Avarna, followed by Ash letter. Therefore, Lopa Shakalya will apply, right?
Yes.
Therefore, Putra Agachataha. This is what you get. Your Vakara has become Lopa. Understand? So this comes only by practice, repeated practice. We'll do all the examples here. Dau plus Api. Au plus what's Sandhi?
It's Ayadi Sandhi.
Ayadi Sandhi.
And optionally Lopa
Will apply.
Shakalya.
Because Api is a Padam. When Api is a Padam, Dau also must be a Padam. If you don't know Dau is a Padam or not, you can check whether the other word is a Padam or not. If other word is a Padam, then this must be a Padam. So Dau is a Padam. Au is replaced by A. And Vakara is preceded by A. That A is there. Then followed by Ash letter. So Lopa Shakalya here. Dwa Api. After that, can you do some further Sandhi? Dwa plus Api, can you join? Savana Dirgha Sandhi?
No, because Lopa Shakalyasi comes after the chapter 8.
Yes. Therefore, yes. Therefore, Savana Dirgha Sandhi cannot be applied.
Yes.
Okay. Shall I stop or continue?
I think continue more some minutes.
Okay. I think we'll complete this page. Huh?
Okay.
Asane plus Aste. What's Sandhi? A plus A.
This is it's Echoyavayava.
Can we apply Yenga Padanta Dati? Yes or no? If yes, tell me how.
Yes. Yes.
No, it cannot be
No.
applied. A is
But-
there, which is young letter, but followed by not Rasva Akara. It is long one. How can you apply?
Okay. Ati is only a.
Only. Therefore, you cannot apply Yenga Padanta Dati. That's how we have to rule out. First, when you say Ayadi Sandhi, immediately you will apply Ayadi Sandhi. But you see the possibility of Pururpa Sandhi. You have to dismiss that. Then only you can apply Ayadi Sandhi. Okay, that is why I asked this question. Can we apply Pururpa Sandhi? It cannot be applied because it is Dirgha. Therefore, Ayadi Sandhi only will apply. After applying the Ayadi Sandhi, will you apply Lopa Shakalyasya? Can you apply or not? You can apply because Aste is a Kriya Padam, Asana is also a Padam. Both are Padam. So now A will be replaced by what letter? A will be replaced by Ayadi Sandhi I. So Yakara at the end of the Padam, preceded by A, followed by A, Ash letter. Therefore, Yakara will become Lopaha, right? Therefore, Asana, Aste, you get. Lopaha Shakalyasya, you have to apply. Understand?
Yes.
So two forms are possible. Asana, Asana Yaste, or Asana Aste. After that, we cannot do Savana Dirgha Sandhi because Purvatra Asiddham cannot apply. Next one. Nripa plus Aishwarya, A plus I. What's Sandhi?
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi. Maha plus Enaha, A plus A. What's Sandhi? A plus A. Same.
It's also Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi only. Here answer is wrong. Answer is purposefully I given sometimes. A plus A is it is Vriddhi Sandhi. Mahainaha. Okay. Tasmai plus Adad. What's Sandhi? I plus A.
Icho Yabaha.
Can we apply Enga Padanta Dati? Yes or no?
Yes.
No. This is I. This is not Yang letter. How can you apply?
Okay.
If you say yes, then you should apply Enga Padanta Dati. You are not applying that, right?
Yes.
So that is not correct. Yenga Padanta Dati not applicable. Therefore, only you are applying Ayadi Sandhi. Please note. I keep saying the same thing. First, you have to rule out Yenga Padanta Dati. Then only Ayadi Sandhi. That is why every time I ask whether Yenga Padanta Dati is applicable. When it is A or O followed by A, Yenga Padanta Dati. Pururpa Sandhi will apply. A or O followed by A. If it's other than that, this will not apply. Followed by A and also must be that this yang must be at the end of the padam. Here tasmai is a padam. That is why I asked this question. Tasmai is sagataute tamtautan tenatabhyam tehi tasmai chaturthi bhakti ekavachana. So tasmai is a padam. That is why I asked this question whether yenga padanta dati will apply. That will not apply. Now what will apply?
Lopa Shakalyasya.
Ayadi sandhi and then lopa shakalyasya. So I is replaced by what letter? I. Yakara preceded by A, followed by Ash letter. Yakara se lopaha bhavati. Therefore, tasma adat, right? Tasma adat, that will be the form. After that, no sandhi, further sandhi possible. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. Ete agataha. What sandhi?
It's Icho Yabaha.
Yenga patanta dati. Can't we do yenga?
Let me see.
Yes.
No, because this is long
Yes. This is long akar. Even though both the padam, ete is a padam, but this the following padam beginning with long vowel. Therefore, you cannot apply. Therefore, what sandhi you will apply?
Lopa Shakalyasya.
Yes. Ayadi sandhi followed by lopa shakalyasya. Okay. Kasmai plus ayachat. I plus a. What sandhi?
In this case, we cannot apply Engnaha Padantadati
Yes, very good.
because I is not Eng.
Yes, exactly. Therefore, Ayadi Sandhi,
Finally, I learned.
yes, Ayadi Sandhi followed by,
So Ayadi Sandhi followed by is Echo Yava Yavaha.
yes. So
And
Ayadi Sandhi followed by Echo Ayava Yava you apply when this is a Padam, when both are Padam. Okay.
yes.
If they are
So
not Padam, then don't apply Lopa Shakalyasya. When you are applying Ayadi Sandhi, if this is a Padam, right, any one of them, one is a Padam, the other one must be a Padam. When they are Padam, then you apply Lopa Shakalyasya. If they are not Padam, don't apply. Like the next example, Gai plus Aka, what's Sandhi?
it's Ayadi Sandhi also. Echo Yava Yavaha.
Is it not? Why don't you apply Yenga Padanta Dati?
No, we cannot because I is not Eng.
Yang letter. Yes. So Ayadi Sandhi. Can you apply Lopa Shakalyasya? No, because Gai is not a Padam.
Okay.
When Gai is not a Padam, just join. You don't have to apply Lopa Shakalyasya. You cannot apply. Not you don't have to. You cannot apply. So only when it is a Padam, then you only have to apply Lopa Shakalyasya. You see? Yenga Padanta Dati, you have to check whether it is applicable. If not, Ayadi Sandhi. And Ayadi Sandhi also can followed by Lopa Shakalyasya if it is a Padam. If it is not a Padam, stop with that. This is a step. Is it clear?
Yes.
So if Ik letter is a Purva letter, it is Yan Sandhi. If Avarna is a Purva letter, then it is Guna or Vriddhi. If H letter is a Purva letter, then it is Ayadi Sandhi or Yenga Padanta Dati. Yenga Padanta Dati should be given first preference. If that is not applicable, then you apply Ayadi Sandhi. If you apply Ayadi Sandhi and if the words are Padam, apply Lopaka Shakalyasya. Otherwise, don't apply. In summary, this is what 4 line summary. If you know this, all the Sandhis you can easily do. Maha plus Aushadam.
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi. A plus Au. Raja plus Eshaha.
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi. A plus A. Shishu plus Anga. U plus A. What Sandhi?
Koyanachi.
Iko Yanachi. Nr plus Atmaja. R plus A. What Sandhi?
It's
Same.
Ikoyanachi.
Rikara is equilater. Don't have any doubt with regard to this. R
Yes.
also equilater only.
Yes.
Okay.
But I followed by Uranara Paraha.
No, because Rikara is replaced by Repa only, not An letter.
Yes,
In
yes.
Ikonachi, you don't apply that. Vishwe plus Upasate, what's Sandhi? A plus U. Can you apply Yenga Padanta Dati? Yes or no? Vishwe is a Padam. Upasate is also a Padam. And A at the end of the Padam, A
But
plus U.
not apply because the other
Exactly. It's not Akara, not beginning with A. Therefore, you cannot apply. Then what's Sandhi? Then what's Sandhi?
It's Ayad Sandhi.
Ayadi Sandhi. And Vishwe is a Vishwe Upasate, they are Padam. Therefore, after Ayadi Sandhi,
We use
Lopaka Shakalyasya.
Lopa Shakalyasi. Yes.
Right? You practice all this when you're writing, okay? But I'm just telling what some rules are applied for your practice, but you have to join this, right? All.
Yes.
Because I'm not telling the final form. I'm just helping you by telling how the rules are applied, how you get the form. Okay. Stale plus idanim, A plus E. What's in the?
It's
When H letter is there, what's in the possible?
Ayad Sandhi.
Ayadi. Can we apply Purur Pasandi? Enga Padanta Dati. Yes or no?
No, because E is
First you have to rule out. Yes. Then you have to apply Ayadi Sandhi. followed by,
Lopa Shakalyasya.
because tale is a padam, idanim is a padam,
Yes.
lopa shakalyasya. Smrti plus adesha, e plus a, what's sandhi?
Ikoyanachi.
Ikoyanachi. Anu plus adesha, u plus a,
Ikoyanachi.
Ikoyanachi. Veera plus eka, a plus a,
It's Vridhi.
Vridhi
Vridhi.
sandhi. Maha plus ena, a plus a, what's sandhi?
Vridhi.
Vridhi sandhi. Okay, I think we'll stop here. We'll do all the exercises, okay? Grishma plus Rutu, from this, we will start, do it in the next class. You understand the steps, what I told. Again,
Yes.
I repeat. If the Purva letter is ik letter, just close your eyes and apply Ikoyanachi. If the Purva letter is a or a, followed by ik or h letter, then guna and vriddhi will apply respectively. If Purva letter is a or a, then think of vriddhi or guna, depending on what follows. If the Purva is h letter, followed by ach, then first you see whether enga padanta dati is applicable. If not, ayadi sandhi. If both are padam, you apply lopa shakalyasya after ayadi sandhi. This is what his whole thing is. If you get this practice, that would be easy. Okay. And we, of course, you will get it because we are going to do a lot of examples. So we will cover. We will do this first. And that's why I stopped with this sandhi. I don't want to teach further swara sandhi and all. Even Atagune also just it came. In fact, I am not interested in that, including that here. But anyway, I taught you that. Similarly, Yengi Pararupam also not required. But anyway, that also I taught you. Otherwise, I can remove this also. This too was very specific. Maybe later it will be applicable. So not now. So I think I will remove that. Okay, this too. Later the context will come. Again, we will see that. Right?
Yes.
You know what it is. So nothing wrong in removing from the sutra list. We are going to see that and the context comes. That time we will cover. Okay. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
Please remind me next class.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Namaste, bye.